Are you suffering from water leakage? Do you know it can lead to serious structural damage? Cracks promote the rapid ingress of water into concrete. Would it be wonderful if the concrete can repair cracks by itself? Introducing the ultimate solution for waterproofing. Powered by Basilisk self-healing concrete technology. Capable of restoring water tightness multiple times. Effective throughout the service life of concrete construction. Less maintenance. Optimized service life. Reduces CO2 footprint, lower environmental impact. REGEN Biomortar. The smartest choice.